What's going on, everybody? You got to check this out. Tekton is doing an overstock sale. If you go to tekton.com, right now I'm on their homepage. If you click on hand drive sockets, go over to bit sockets. Um, right now, the 3/8 inch drive bit socket set, the 91 piece, it's normally $226. It's on sale for $192.10. This is the exact same set that I did unboxing of on the last video. I'll make sure I link it in the comments and the description below. That's not the only item. There are several items currently that are discounted. Please do keep in mind that they have the quantities limited. And also, so lots of 3/8 inch stuff. There's also a 1/2 inch drive, 24 piece. So just a thought. It's not a whole lot of savings on all the items, but you can save $30 to $40 on some of the larger sets. Also, if you click on hand drive sockets, click socket sets. There was also one, there's a 1/4 inch 6-point socket set that's also on a reduced price. So I actually have that one as well, which I did a video on part 1. I actually unboxed that as well. So I love it. I think it's a great item. Really, anytime you can get these Tekton tools at a discounted price, it's super worth it. So keep in mind, limited, like I said before, so you got to act quickly. Put it in your cart, buy it. I will make sure I link the website down below so you can just click it and go right to it. Also, make sure you like this video, leave a comment if it helped you, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to always try to pop up anything that I see like this, and then we got a lot more coming. So thanks again for watching.